How to add custom words to voice access in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to teach dictation to recognize specific terms accurately. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Accessibility. From there, click on Speech. At this point, click on Voice Access. In the next step, toggle Voice Access on if it isn't already. Following this, once active, a small bar appears on your screen showing voice access is running. Once done, click on the gear icon within this bar. From here, click on Add to Vocabulary. At this stage, type in any word or phrase voice access often mishears, like a name, technical term, or brand. Keep in mind, add multiple words at once by placing each one on a new line, then click Add to save them all together. Finally, dictate a sentence using one of these added words to confirm voice access now recognizes it correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you add custom words to voice access in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.